I quit my $167,000 a year job at Microsoft to focus on a business that most people will never even consider. And now it's paying me over $60,000 a month. You see, I graduated college a few years ago and landed what felt like a dream job, a six-figure role at Microsoft. Great pay, great benefits, great prestige. And on paper, it was everything that I had hoped for and everything that I had worked for. But as a couple years passed, something just started to knot me. And I couldn't shake the feeling that I was just a cog in a very massive machine. I remember a little while back, I was catching up with an old friend over coffee. And we were just, swapping stories when he casually mentioned that, his family had started a business that was now pulling in $96,000 a month. A month. And it was leveraging two single family homes in a very quiet, uneventful suburb of San Diego. When he told me that, I literally couldn't shake the feeling, and it wasn't some tech unicorn or flashy startup, it was assisted living. If this was real, I needed to know more, and I wasted no time. So that night, after I hung out with them, I dove headfirst into the research. I read articles, case studies, I listened to podcasts, blogs, anything that I could find. And the more that I learned about the industry, the more that it consumed me. Unlike the corporate grind, this wasn't about climbing a ladder and working for 40 years to get a pension. It was about building something extremely meaningful while creating financial freedom. But here's the twist. I walked away from a guaranteed six-figure paycheck to take a massive risk on what was just an idea, starting my own assisted living facility from scratch. And right now, it's not simply paying off, it has changed my entire life. Okay, that facility, one home, three bedrooms, makes me $60,000 plus a month. And I'm not just working my job anymore, I'm building a true legacy for myself. At Microsoft, every day was very predictable: reports, meetings, deadlines. But the idea of running my own business, something that truly helped my community, pulled at me every single day. The challenge was that I had no experience in assisted living or healthcare. Everybody thought I was crazy for trying this business and leaving such a secure job. What still rings in my ears is the risks and what if it fails? But when I was doing my research, I couldn't ignore the opportunity anymore. With over 10,000 people turning 65 or older every day in the United States and the senior population expected to double by 2060, the demand for quality assisted living right now is absolutely skyrocketing. I learned step by step how to simply start small and grow. And now today, not only am I helping families, but I've built a business that I am extremely proud of. Listen, the need is there and the opportunity is huge and the rewards are absolutely life changing. It wasn't easy at first, but the process is simpler than most people think. And I am living proof that you do not need decades of experience to succeed and build wealth in this industry. See, imagine creating a business that doesn't just provide financial freedom, but also makes a true difference in people's lives, in your community. That's what the assisted living industry will offer. This isn't simply just about me and my story. It's about the opportunity that is out there for you. So if you're tired of chasing corporate goals, or you want to build a business that is both super meaningful and highly cash flow profitable, this is your answer. And here's the best part. I'm sharing literally everything I have learned over the past 2 years in a entirely free video. I'm going to show you step by step how to start your own assisted living facility in 2025, even if you have absolutely zero experience. You're going to learn how to start from zero, grow to your first six figures and beyond in a very, very short amount of time. I will see you in the next video.